eggplant bacon. I just got some eggplants and there are so many, and I'm like, what am I going to make with them? So I said, let me bake some bacon. Now we'll start with the sauce. So I'll start with olive oil. Just I don't have exact measurements, so like that's like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to assume that's just a little bit. That's date syrup. You can put maple syrup. Since I don't have date syrup, I decided let me just put I don't have maple syrup, so I decided I put date syrup. So I'm going to put onion powder. This is a sweet onion powder. Then I'm going to put some garlic powder. Oops, that's a lot. Then I'm going to put some cumin powder. I think everything is just almost like a teaspoon of some salt, like that. Then I'm going to put, I don't have chipotle powder, so I'll just put habanero powder. It's just habanero powders that have been smoked and then powdered, so me just dried habanero powders. That's it, that's all I have. Then we're going to put smoked paprika. That's it. I don't know if this is going to be enough for all my then we're going to put some salt and just put the salt. Then if you have tamari or soy sauce, you put that. For me, I have coconut aminos, so that's what I'm putting. Approximately a teaspoon or 3/4 of a teaspoon, so that's what I'm putting. Then after that, all you got to do is whisk it. So let me look for a whisk. If I don't have, I'll use a spoon. Okay, I have a whisk, which I was so surprised that I do have. You can see it's thickening. Apparently my onion powder was too clumpy, so I'm going to do a taste. Oh my holy shit, that is nice. Oh, I shouldn't be cussing. Okay, so I'll just keep that to a side. I'm going to take the eggplants. I'll not show you all of them, I'll just show you one. So we're going to cut it in half. Then I'm going to take my mandolin. I don't know if it's going to work here. I've not used this thing for such a long time. Okay, since my mandolin doesn't seem to be doing the job it's meant to do, I'm just going to slice them into small pieces. Okay guys, I decided to slice it. My mandolin doesn't do a good job. It's not that adjustable kind one. And since the eggplants are kind of on the soft side, it's not as firm, so I have decided to just slice them like that. So if you have a mandolin that works properly, then you can do that. So it will take forever to dehydrate. So if you have an oven that works, you can put it in the oven, then it will even become as crispy very fast. So these are not becoming a nice size, but you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'll do that with the rest of the, so I'll just take them, mix them in there. Make sure your hands are clean. I think this one is too thick. Way too thick, this one. I think I'll just water it down a bit with some water. And I'll come and show you. So this ones will go into the dehydrator for 8 to 10 hours. And if you have an oven, it will be faster. Just put on the lowest heat and it will dehydrate and become nice and crispy. Delicious. There they are. Just dehydrate them, and when they're done, I'll show you how they look. Hey guys, here are the eggplant bacon. They are a bit on the soft side. But if you want to dehydrate them for another 2 hours, that's fine, because it's just after 8 hours. I just thought I'd show you how they look. They're nice. Some are actually crispy, others are a bit on the chewy side. They taste amazing. A little bit hot. I think I put too much habanero powder. That you can reduce the amount you put, but it's really tasty. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Subscribe for more recipes. Bye.